Hello, engineer. Kamusta? Good morning. How are you? Makinig ka, engineer. May malaking project tayo. Oh, tatawagin natin itong Ghost Project. Pero ito yung mga kailangan natin. Kailangan ko ng Ghost Engineer, Ghost Foreman, Ghost Steelman, at saka Ghost Driver.
Where you going, Eggs?
Malaking hatian to. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ako bahala.
Sana all.
Tsaka huwag mo rin kalimutan, na-need natin ng Ghost na resibo. Yun yung pinakamahalaga. Okay. Kuha mo ba, engineer? Need kayong mag-report bukas sa office ko, okay? Kailangan na ni Giraw matapos yung project.
Sana
Okay, engineer.